In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change my Samsung phone number. It's important to note that you can't change the actual number assigned to your phone through the Samsung settings. If you need a new phone number, you'll have to contact your mobile carrier. They manage your phone number, or you might need to activate a new SIM or eSIM. Now let's begin by opening your Settings app. This is where all the key configurations for your phone are housed. It's like the control center for your device. Once you're in the settings, you'll need to tap on Accounts and Backup. This section is crucial because it manages all your accounts and their backups, ensuring your data is secure and up to date. From there, tap on Manage Accounts. This option allows you to see and manage all the accounts linked to your device. It's helpful to know what accounts you have active on your phone. Next, locate and tap on your Samsung account. Your Samsung account is your gateway to a variety of services and features Samsung offers. Once that's done, tap on Google account. This is where things get interesting. Your Google account is vital because it's linked to many of your phone's services like email and app downloads. Now tap on Security and Sign In. This section is essential for managing how you sign into your account and securing it. Next up, tap on Two-Step Verification. Two-Step Verification adds an extra layer of security to your account. It's an important step to keep your information safe. At this point, you'll need to verify it's you. You can do this by using your screen lock or PIN. This step is crucial because it ensures that only you can make changes to your account. Once verified, tap on Add. This action is what allows you to input a new phone number into the system. Enter your new phone number carefully. Double-check that the number is correct to avoid any issues. After entering your number, tap Send Code. A verification code will be sent to the new number you just entered. This step is important because it confirms that the number is active and in your possession. Enter the verification code you received. This action validates your new phone number. It's like a handshake confirming your identity. After entering the code, tap Verify. This step finalizes the linking of your new number to your account. You should see a confirmation appear, reassuring you that the process is complete. Finally, if you no longer need your old phone number, you can remove it. Removing the old number can help avoid any confusion in the future. It's always good to keep your account information up to date. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Samsung account's phone number. By following these steps, you've ensured that your account information is accurate and secure. Remember, keeping your account details current is key to maintaining the security and functionality of your device. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.